and I want to show you a beautiful gate that we just finished installation today. This is one of our aluminum gates that we bring especially for Los Angeles area. These are wonderful because they are made from aluminum. There is no rust problems with those whatsoever, so their life expectancy is pretty high. At the same time, the finish on these is really remarkable, and they look beautiful. They come out really nice. This is called the high-tech design. It's like a floating style horizontal bars that are in place. On this particular gate, there is a couple of side panels that were installed here in between the two walls. There is an electrified an electric keypad, see, with this door. And again, beautiful finishing on this project. Nice lines, everything nice and clean. And altogether, another very successful project by Mulholland Security. Ron in Beverly Hills.